As you're talking, I'm thinking about selfishness, the word selfishness. And I'm thinking there's this common feeling as a people pleaser but it's selfish to think about myself. I can just hear people saying that right now, but I don't want to be selfish. That's bad if I'm selfish. Even to the point where boundaries could just be about owning what you want in the sense of what you want in your own life. We have a lot of people who are so committed inside the program right now and they're so dedicated. They've got their routine and structure down pat. They're doing their movement plan with our movement coach and they're feeling really good and they're on track. And there's that almost that healthy selfishness and dedication to their self, to their craft of what they're moving towards in their life. How do you overcome that idea that being personally selfish for the right reasons is a good thing versus a negative thing?
So two parts to this, two ways I want to answer this. The first is coming back to remembering that you're feeding off this pattern. You're not actually showing up honestly and truthfully and in your power in your relationships. To me, that's unloving and that's unkind when it's in our awareness. Yeah, of course, some of this stuff sometimes we're not aware of. And we're using that pattern, like I said before, to feel a sense of control, to feel a sense of certainty, to manipulate how we're being perceived. And there's a level of selfishness in that. And then the other piece to it as well, one of our other core human needs is contribution, growth and contribution. So overdone, but also just hits the nail on the head. You can't pour an empty cup.
Yeah, you can't pour from an empty cup. Yeah.
I personally feel and believe that it is selfish to show up in this world anything other than nourished, anything other than full from within, because that's where people are going to get your best. That's where you can perform and truly be of service to other people. And like, how many times have you been around someone that really needs to go and take care of themselves in whatever way that might be? It might be they just resent their career and it really needs to change, or there is a relationship that needs to change, or maybe they just need to start fueling their body with nutrient-dense foods, hydrating themselves better, going to bed earlier, spending time in whatever it might be, spending time in nature. And they're not pleasant to be around, to the point where we have this experience of, gosh, I really wish that person would take care of themselves. That would actually be so fruitful for me if they were to do that.
Wow. I love the question that my old mentor said to me, which was, what do you like to be around?
Yeah. And this is going to immediately impact the type of people you are magnetizing and calling in or repelling away. For me, the highest form of intelligence and success is somebody who knows what they need and gives that to themselves. And they're the types of people that I'm really interested in spending time with.